Okay, let's start out simply. Based on bebop players like Coleman Hawkins and especially Barry Harris, they evolved a very useful scale for improvising. By adding a passing tone between the fifth and sixth scale degrees, you have a very useful 8 note scale that works out great for improvising because it comes out on the same starting pitch every 4 beats. And it works for melodic minor scales too. Let's hear how that sounds on a 2-5-1. A minor 2-5-1 sounds like this. Let's put 2 of these scales in contrary motion. Okay, same thing, but now in minor. Here is a 4-note C add 6 chord in motion using the 6th diminished scale. Here's the same 4 notes but as an A minor 7, descending this time.